Hey friends, welcome back. If you're dealing with constant errors, locked settings, or a forgotten password on your Night Owl DVR, a factory reset may be the solution. A factory reset completely restores the DVR to its original out-of-box state, removing all custom settings, saved footage, and user accounts. It's best used only when basic fixes no longer work, when you can't log in, or before selling or giving the DVR to someone else. Before resetting, take a moment to back up any recordings you want to keep because everything will be erased permanently. If your DVR is linked to the Night Owl Protect app, remove it from the app first to avoid setup issues later. Once you're ready, try a simple power reset by unplugging the DVR for a minute and powering it back on. If the problem continues, access the DVR menu using a mouse, open the system or maintenance settings, and choose the option to reset all settings, then confirm and allow the DVR to reboot. If you can't access the menu, some models include a small reset button on the back. With the DVR powered off, press and hold that button while turning the power back on until the reset begins. After the reset, you'll need to create a new password, reconnect cameras, and set up recording preferences again. If issues continue after the reset, Night Owl support can help diagnose hardware or configuration problems.